This is the ProLogic safe lock system from SECURAM systems. You can tell the ProLogic because it has an LCD screen. When you press any of the buttons, the LCD screen wakes up and it allows you to do some programming. This video is going to take a look at the ProLogic series and how you change the default codes. Again, the codes that are present with this lock by default are 111111, that's the supercode, and 123456. To change those codes, here's what you do. Press the menu button, scroll down to System Menu and press OK. Then it says Enter Code. So the code that I have now is 111111, verified as ID 00. Now it says Select Menu. I want to press down once to change code and press OK. It's going to say, I'm setting the code to ID 00. What new code would you like it to be? I'm going to say 121212. It says, okay, great. Repeat that code to verify. 121212. And now it'll say that code has been saved. ID 00, code is saved. Comes back to the select menu screen. I can back out of here just by pressing the back button. And now I want to go ahead and test my ID 00 code that I just changed from default to its new code, which is 121212, and the lock opens. Okay? So that's as simple as it is to change the code. You can do the same process for the manager code, but of course you enter the system menu with the code that you want to change. So if I wanted to change the manager code, I press Menu, scroll down to System Menu and press OK. Then enter my code, the code I want to change now, 123456. It's going to say I'm ID 01. What would you like to do with that? I'm going to set the code of ID 01. What's the new code? Let's call it 654321 and repeat that code, 654321. It'll put that into its memory and it'll come up on the message and say ID1 code saved. So now my code for ID1 is 654321. Press the back menu to go to standby, and now let's go ahead and test that code. 654321. Verified as ID 01, lock open, and we're good. All right, closed. All right, so that's now how you change both of the default codes in the ProLogic series.